I'm not going to waste your time. I know why you're here. I like to keep it short and sweet, simple to the point. Apple Watch Series 10. You don't need a full review on this. That's what you got Marquez for. What do you want to see? You want to see someone who's owned this for a while? I've had this since the day it's come out. Apple Watch Series 10 titanium variant. Specifically, does it micro scratch? I just so happen to have the watch, as you can see. And I got a macro lens as well. Sony G Master, stop playing with me. All right, let's go ahead and take a look if this thing has micro scratches. Now, as you can see here, there is that one little nick on this side, but that is the only scratch that I actually see. I'm not particularly abusive towards my technology, but I'm not necessarily the nicest person either. At the end of the day, a watch is a watch, and it's supposed to be worn. I have accidentally hit this against doors and desks. As you can see on this other side, it is essentially nick and scratch free, so it's actually pretty good. The titanium is actually quite strong as well, so I only have this one little mini scratch here, and that's really it so far. It's actually pretty tough for a material. Thanks for watching.